July 1st, 2023. Write that down. Add it to your calendar. Tell your teammates. That's the date that Google stops processing new data for Universal Analytics. Universal Analytics? What do you mean? Universal Analytics is the standard version of Google Analytics. This version has been running since 2012. If you've been using Google Analytics for the past few years, it's likely that you're using Universal Analytics. After this date, Google Analytics 4 will be the only Google tool available to track your website activity, and this will likely impact your agency. If you don't take the time to prepare, you might lose access to important analytics for your clients. So, what do? Hi folks, Clarence here from Agency Analytics. In this video, we'll talk about why Google is sunsetting Universal Analytics for GA4 and what you need to know to prepare for it. If you like this video, click on the like and subscribe button to get notified of other videos specifically for digital marketing agencies. So why is Google ending support for Universal Analytics in the first place? One of the main reasons that Google cites is shifts in consumer behavior. At the time of its release in 2012, it was built for online measurement that was anchored in the desktop web, independent sessions, and more easily observable data from cookies. In a world where almost everything revolves around apps and mobile, this methodology is quickly becoming obsolete. These shifts, alongside research by Forrester Consulting, led Google to the conclusion that current analytics solutions didn't provide a complete view of the customer journey, which is a largely cross-platform experience these days. As the Forrester survey highlights, more than half of those surveyed say simply managing the volume of their data is a huge challenge. Their data is siloed with different teams, and the analytics tool they've used in the past haven't been able to keep up. Another major reason is the changes to online privacy policies. Though Universal Analytics offers a variety of privacy controls, its successor, Google Analytics 4, better complies with data protection regulations. But is it worthy of dethroning Universal Analytics? Formerly known as Atlas Web, GA4 is focused on providing more data throughout the entire lifecycle of the customer journey. There's much more data available after a customer has been acquired, including their level of engagement, monetization, and retention. GA4 also offers machine learning-based approach to both surfacing cross-platform insights and privacy-centric approach. A few examples of its new AI-based capabilities include automatic alert of trends in data, anticipating customer actions by calculating churn probability, and other predictive metrics such as revenue estimates from audience groups. Now, let's discuss the core features, differences between UA and GA4, and benefits of upgrading to GA4. GA4 has deeper integration with Google Ads. This allows you to see in-app and web conversions for paid channels such as Google and YouTube ads, as well as non-Google channels such as Facebook. You'll also see conversions from organic channels including search, social, and email. The integration of mobile and app data simplifies the process of measuring the impact of all your marketing investments, regardless of the acquisition channel. As I mentioned earlier, GA4 has a more customer-centric approach to tracking the customer journey, which is typically an experience involving multiple devices and platforms. Google has now simplified the process of tracking a customer throughout a marketing funnel. A new section in GA4 called Lifecycle includes reports for acquisition, engagement, monetization, and retention. And finally, GA4 is designed to adapt to the new privacy landscape with how you collect, retain, and analyze user data. The new approach to data collection doesn't use cookies or identifiers. Instead, it relies more on data modeling to fill gaps where data may be incomplete or inaccessible. How do you transition from UA to GA4? Here's the catch. It's not possible. It's not possible to transfer historical data from UA to GA4. I know. I wish it was easier. This is because they use completely different data models. UA uses session-based data, while GA4 is based on events and parameters. Everything in GA4 is an event. Agencies should create a new GA4 property as quickly as possible. You'll want to start collecting data and getting familiar with GA4 before completely replacing UA. This means you'll need to start the transition by having both implementations set up simultaneously, one for UA and the other for GA4. It's important to note that you can still access Universal Analytics data for 6 months after July 1st, 2023. While you can't import previous data from UA to GA4, the two accounts will be linked. This means you can use the Setup Assistant in GA4 to migrate configurations from UA to GA4. We also encourage you to export all of your previous data from Universal Analytics so you can refer back to it if needed. What do you think? Is GA4 a worthy replacement for the time-tested Universal Analytics? Let us know in the comment section. Want to learn more? Check out our blog link in the description. It covers way more details around GA4. Again, July 1st, 2023 is the date Universal Analytics goes away. Start implementing GA4 for all your client accounts now.